I've been using SelfDecode for a little over a year now, and I just think it's an amazing tool for me to figure out what's going on in my body. I started using it because I was diagnosed with breast cancer a little over a year ago. I went through chemo and I went through radiation, and I started seeing an integrative doctor that wanted me to check my DNA makeup and see how that affected the medicine I took and everything that I was putting in and on my body. So she gave me a medical website to look at so I could try to decipher the code, and it was just way too technical for me. So in some searching and Googling, I found SelfDecode, and I've been hooked ever since. It's just an amazing tool for me to see how my DNA can show me how I can better take care of my body. It's just an amazing tool for me to have, and I'm grateful I found it. Thank you.